and/or
Wascos Chicken Waffles.
I was just smoking too. My vape
Wascos Chicken and Waffles.
Dude, you gotta fucking create that in Wasco, California. Make
Look
fucking
at that.
Wascos Chicken and Waffles. Dude, that would be the best shit ever. Instead of Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, it's Wasco's Chicken and Waffles.
Go.
Dude, Chris, patent that shit right now. Patent that shit. Yeah, we do. We got it.
Smooth chest, Nova. Hey, where are there it is. You need one too, buddy?
Phillips gay.
Hey, I'm glad you were able to make it up here.
Dude, why didn't you have that shit recorded?
I did.
No, it's not. Dude, I ate shit a minute ago.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.